Today I'm going to show you how to get the free Discord Nitro trial from Epic Games in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy method, and if you've been looking for a legit way to claim the offer when it's available, this is exactly what you need. I'll walk you through the whole process from finding it in Epic Games to claiming it properly so it shows up in your library. And before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Epic Games on your computer. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account first so everything is ready when you claim the offer. Once you're inside Epic Games, use the search bar at the top and type Discord Nitro. This is the easiest way to find the offer without having to browse through different categories or store pages. After you search, you should see Discord Nitro listed as free. Under it, you'll notice a blue Get button. That means the offer is available to claim right now. Go ahead and click the blue Get button. Epic Games may ask you to confirm the claim, so review the prompt if one appears and continue. Once you've done that, the Discord Nitro trial will be added to your account. At this point, it should appear in your library, which means the claim was successful. Now go over to your library section in Epic Games. This is where you can see everything you've added to your account, including free claims and games you own. Look for Discord Nitro there, and once you see it, you'll know it has been added properly. From here, follow the on-screen instructions to install or use Discord if needed, and then open Discord to check your Nitro status. In many cases, you'll be able to see that Nitro has been claimed on your account. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment and refresh your library or sign out and back in if necessary. It usually updates quickly, but sometimes account syncing can take a little bit of time. The main thing is that once it shows in your Epic Games library, your claim has gone through. This is a really simple process, but it's important to make sure you search for the correct offer and click the actual blue Get button so you don't miss it. If the trial is available in your region and account, this method lets you claim it in just a couple of minutes. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tech videos, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.